developed by PPP project. We also bid in that. We had also bid for the Goa airport, second airport. Some are developed by AI. The first three that I mentioned are developed by AI. But with what we are doing is, all our terminal buildings, we are now building almost an additional facility. So this next financial year that will come in 2018-19, terminal building projects worth 15,000 crores, new projects, will be launched. They are at various stages of launching. So the next financial year will saw starting of terminal building projects of nearly more than 15,000 crores.
These are new buildings and
new buildings. Another one we are developing in that series is Allahabad. Almost practically new airport, because it's a very small one ATR 72 aircraft movement a day and a very small terminal building. Allahabad is going to have the Ardh Kumbh Mela in February 2019. We have taken up that challenge to do that new capacity within 11 months. 11 months. And we are pretty hopeful that we will be making it operational before the Ardh Kumbh Mela starts in February 2019. But then the new airport that will be added is Pakyong in Sikkim has already been completed. It's so close to spend how much in Pakyong?
So Pakyong is almost 650 crores.
650 crores. Then Teju in Arunachal, that is also completed now. That is licensing has also been done. We expect Teju and Pakyong will start flying to different parts of the country soon. Jharsuguda in Western Orissa, and again at the cost of close to around 200 crores. That is ready, or should be ready for inauguration by April. And so these are the three major new airports that is being done by Airport Authority of India. Private sector, New Mumbai, Prime Minister is going to launch the foundation stone on 18th. Then this Jewar, the planning stage it is there. Then another new airport that will come is Mopa itself, in Goa. Then another greenfield project that is coming up is in Vizag by Andhra Pradesh government, and we are also seriously pursuing with West Bengal and Tamil Nadu for a second airport in Kolkata and Chennai.